In this video guide, I will show you step by step how to fill a visa application form for Belgium visa application. Go to Google, search for this keyword, click the first website here. This is the website, as you can see here, Visa Web. Click on this website. You will see this page. Set up your accounts and then click create new visa application form. Click this one and then you will open your form. Choose your visa type, short or stay. Please read the protection regular. You should be read the term and conditions. After that, click I have read on term and conditions here. Click I'm a human. Choose this object, for example, image with object. So friends, this is for object. And then click this one, complete the steps here, and then you will see this page. Just wait a few moments here. Click approve. From here, approve, and then you will open this form. In this case, fill this information such visa application number, enter number, state, new or something like this. Location here, choose the location, your name and first name, place, country, nationality, all details here. You can add a nationality from here. Choose your travel documents of type of travels, date of issues, valid until and issues country, stress postal code, country, phone number, mobile number, and email address. Choose all details such travel information, visa type, as you can see here, this one, number of requested, all this information and reference here. Click if you have a previous fingerprint, click this one. Click stay, this is for financing stay. Choose traveling group and then click submit your application. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video. Just fill this information.